Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Mariama Forbes and you are tapped into living in between. And for today's video, I firstly want to say Happy New Year to every single one of you. So anyway, this video, as you can tell by the title, is all about talking about goals and, really deciding what it is exactly, we want our 2022 to look like. Before I get into this video, if you are not a subscriber to my channel, please click on the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel. Just a disclaimer, these are all my opinions and thoughts. It is my opinion and you have the right to yours. So yes, let's get into this video. One of the things I practiced in 2021, which I'll be carrying on to 2022, is knowing my why. Knowing your why is so important. So what does knowing your why mean? Knowing your why means is simple, knowing why you are doing things. Why are you doing the things that you're doing? Why are you in the career that you're in? Why are you in the relationship that you're in? Many of us just do things for the sake of just doing it. Maybe it's expected of us because maybe of our age, our parents expect that from us, our family expect that from us. We'll never take a time to ask ourselves, why are we doing those things? So in 2021, I really asked myself why about everything I did in my life. And I truly believe that helped me to have a good year last year, because I was able to really sit down with myself and say, okay, Mariama, why do you want this thing? And once I knew my why, it allowed me to either achieve that goal or to realize actually it's not for me. So definitely practice knowing your why. In the Black community, mostly in African community, many of us were not taught by our parents how we should save, how we should invest and so on. And you kind of start having a bad relationship with money. So definitely this year, if it's not on your list, put it on your list. Start to have a good relationship with money. Start going on Google, start buying books about money management, your finances, and also learning about investments, all these different things. This is for the girls, this is for the ladies. Also for men as well, who are in this situation where you may feel like your parents or your family, they're pushing you to get married or have children. This is the message I have to have for you. You need to get to a place in your life where you do it because you truly want it. Do you want to get married? Do you want children? Ask yourself these questions this year. Don't just do it because your friends are doing it or because it looks cool, because marriage is not easy. And I'm not saying it because I'm married, because I've seen people in marriages. Having children is not easy. I'm not saying it because I have children, but because I've seen people raise children. And also at the same time, we all know if you do something because of other people, you're not going to do it to the best of your ability. You're going to struggle. However, if you do something where you do it when you're ready, you've prepared yourself, you've financially prepared yourself, you emotionally prepared yourself, you've healed yourself from trauma, hopefully, fingers crossed, you can become the best parent or the best spouse that you can ever be. So in the meantime, if you think you're not ready, find yourself, travel, read a new book. And for some of us, we keep on doing this, doing that to get money, to get this. So maybe this year, rather than spend your time going into multiple investments, trying to make quick money, maybe look within yourself and ask yourself, what is my talent? And how can I grow my talent where I am so good at what I do that people are willing to pay a whole load of money to afford what I have? Or it's simple as this. You love your job. You love your 9-to-5 job, and what's wrong with that? You love your 9-to-5 job, you love the money you make, you love the house that you have, and that makes you happy. So be happy. And one of the great things I did as well was I stopped comparing my life. Comparison is the killer of joy. Many of us have heard that being said before. And I know it's very easy to compare your life because, social media, you see people living their life and you automatically feel like maybe you're being left behind or you're not doing too much. But I've just learned that in order to give myself a peace of mind, I just need to live my own life and live unapologetically. So not comparing my life to other people, not keeping up with other people has given me a peace of mind. It's also allowed me to really focus on my own goals and to achieve things much more faster because I'm focused on myself. You can easily get distracted from your goals or end up not achieving your goals because you leave what you're doing and you go and do what somebody else is doing because you think that's what you should be doing. Like go into a place in your life where you accept that this life is yours to live alone and that your life should not be based on other people's perception and how others are living their life will truly give you a peace of mind. Now, I know there's a culture about no sleep culture. First of all, you can't achieve anything in life when you're lacking of sleep. You can't achieve anything in life when you are not able to do the job to the best of your ability because you're tired. Sleep is a very important thing because it helps our body to recover, but also helps our brain to think more clearly. And also, if you're not sleeping, you get fatigue, you can get anger, mental health issues, so on. It can even make you sick. So this whole culture, which is, no sleep, no, I've never practiced that. I like my sleep. I will get my 8 hours sleep. And also at the same time, if you structure your life properly, you should not be lacking sleep. If you structure your life properly, you will have a good night's sleep and you'll be able to achieve all the things you want to achieve without compromising that. So no, one thing I'll definitely say is, if you're going into 2022, please do not bring the no sleep culture or mentality with you. I've been practicing gratitude for a couple of years now, and practicing gratitude has really helped me to have a peace of mind, because rather than focusing on the things I don't have, I pay more attention more on the things that I do have. And I've allowed myself to value the things that I do have. And also another thing that I've been practicing that's been really giving me a peace of mind is letting people go. Now, many of us, we hold on to people because of experiences. We hold on to people maybe because they've done things for us in the past. So because of that, we use it as an excuse to allow them to stay in our lives, really knowing when somebody's time in my life has expired and it's time for them to go. So yes, just letting people go, no matter how hard, how painful it is, because at the end of the day, you have to protect your peace of mind. And we live in a world which is very selfish, so people are naturally going to think about their own peace of mind before they think of yours. So you have to do the job, which is to really put your peace of mind first, but also at the same time, don't go around destroying other people's lives just because you want a peace of mind, or that's how you get peace of mind. That's not very nice. I've been practicing to really give myself a really good year. Last year was writing my goals down, like being really intentional about my goals and making smart goals, not goals that are a bit out of reach, but really making goals that I know are attainable and goals that I can actually achieve. So really sitting down with myself and saying, okay, what do I want for my life? How do I want my life to look like in the next 1 year, 2 years, or all the way to 5 years? But at the same time, not killing myself to achieve those things, allowing myself to have grace where, yes, these are the things I want to achieve, but I also need to make sure I'm present and I'm enjoying the things that I have currently, because many of us don't tend to do that. We're so focused on the goal that we're not present, we're not really enjoying our life, we're just going crazy. Another thing as well in 2022 that I will be practicing more of is just having fun. Truly having fun, truly doing the things that I love, the things that I enjoy, the things that bring me joy, and taking more risks, because this life is so temporary. We don't know when it's going to go, and peace, laughter, and happiness really changes your perception of life, and it truly makes you be in a place where you're just happy. So 2022 is all about doing the things that make me happy, and I truly hope you as well, you allow yourself to do the things that make you happy. So yeah, those are some of the things I have to say about my goals and some of the advice I'll give to some of you guys about 2022. Listen to yourself and truly look deep within and ask yourself, what type of life do I want to live, and why do I want to live this life, and how am I going to give this life to myself? I hope you all have an amazing 2022. This year gives you guys, you're able to achieve all the things you want to achieve this year, and above all, have abundant peace, joy, and happiness. Thank you for watching this video. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, you know what to do. Click on the subscribe button, like this video, and leave a comment below. Thank you all so much for watching. Take care. Bye.